get into SC Bangalore in general category, you need minimum 170 marks to 200 marks out of 240 marks. For EWS, so all of you want to get admission into SC Bangalore or 7 ISERs and you are preparing for ISER aptitude test. But I hope you know that the exam pattern has already changed and I hope you are preparing well. Why? Because now since SC Bangalore is taking admission through ISER aptitude test, the people who are giving JEE Mains, JEE Advanced or NEET examination will also want to get admission into ISC Bangalore, right? Who doesn't want to go into the top research institute in India? So competition is going to increase. So are you preparing properly or not? That is the first question. I hope you are doing it. Second question. Now many of you were telling that after your JEE Mains is over in April, now you want to do full preparation of ISER aptitude test. Very good, full-fledged preparation, day and night you're going to work hard and crack this examination and get your dream institute. So second thing I will tell how to prepare. Now third thing, the most important one, those who are solving the mock test and working hard, you're preparing from the previous year papers and all study materials. You need to know that how many marks you should target so that you can get into SC Bangalore or ISERs, different ISERs like ISER Pune, Kolkata, Mohali, Bhopal, Berhampur, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirupati, all these 7 ISERs, right? So in this video, I will tell you properly what should be your target in order to get ISC Bangalore or various ISERs for different category, for each of the category, general, EWS, OBC, STSC, etc. Now why this video is very important? First of all, if you have seen our prediction videos about ranks and marks for IIT examination for last 2-3 years, you will find so many comments. Bhaiya, how can you be so accurate? How can you predict so well? Exactly, more than 95 to 99% of our predictions have been very accurate for ISER aptitude test. Now, I also want to tell those who are new to my channel, we have already launched so many crash courses for preparation of IIT and NEST. Why? Because we have so many selections. All India rank 1 in ISER aptitude test, All India rank 12 in NEST examination, All India rank 13 in KVPY SB stream. So all of these selections, we have more than 400 of our students are now studying in these premier research institutes to become scientists, right? So go and check those crash courses, links are in description. Now let me first tell you what marks you need to get if you want to get any of the ISERs in different category. Okay, as you can see in the data here, if you are in general category, you need minimum 90 to 100 marks. If you're in OBC, you need 75 to 85 marks. If you are in EWS, you need 75 to 85. SC 45 to 55 and ST 30 to 40 marks. So you see, I have given a range, right? Because I am also not God that I can give you exact marks. So I have given you range that if you are getting within this range, minimum you should get this much marks to get into these ISERs. And also I am going to give you a disclaimer that these are prediction. I am not telling that 100% you will be correct, but as you have seen from our experience, more than 95 to 99% accuracy we have shown in our prediction. Now let me tell you for each of your category, general, EWS, STSC, OBC and all, for each of these institutes, SC Bangalore and all 7 ISERs. As you can see in the screen here, to get into SC Bangalore in general category, you need minimum 170 marks to 200 marks out of 240 marks. For EWS, you need minimum 140 to 160 marks. For OBC NCL, you need 140 to 160. For SC, 100 to 120. ST, 90 to 110 marks in ISER aptitude test out of 240 marks. For ISER Pune, as you can see, for general category, 160 to 180 marks. EWS, 120 to 140 marks. OBC NCL, 120 to 140. SC, 100. SC 80 to 100 marks, ST 70 to 90 marks. Now, similarly for other ISERs, you can see for different categories. I will also publish this whole data in my free study material section of Sayastra app. If you also want to message me personally to ask any of the doubts, you can message me in Sayastra app, link in the description. Now, if you see that for EWS and OBC, the range I have given is very same. Generally for EWS, it is even lesser than OBC NCL, but to consider the safe side, we generally have seen that the same marks or same range is the cutoff to get admission into these institutes for EWS and OBC NCL. Now you know the target marks you should get to get admission into all of these institutes. But what to do now? How can I prepare? My JEE Mains is over. Now I want to give my best for ISER aptitude test. Let me tell you, whether you are PCB, PCM, PCMB student, first thing you need to do is to find out how much marks are you getting right now. Find out what is your level of preparation. Is your theory clear or not, or you are facing problems in the question, or your both theory and question both are weak. So you need to practice those concepts, cover some syllabus. Maybe you have lot of syllabus left, so you need to cover that and then come to question practice, right? So in this stage, what you need to do, first of all, find out what is your level. How to do that? There is a free mock test in Sayastra app with 240 total marks. Okay, the latest pattern of IJR aptitude test which has total 240 marks. Attempt that mock test. You will get at the end full detailed analysis report. You will also get all the solutions in the mock test. So use those solutions and the analysis report to find out what is your level of preparation. When you are not able to solve any of the questions, see the solution and find out that what is the reason. Is your concept missing, or you need a lot of practice in that? Now you have to make a strategy that how to cover theory, make your concepts very clear, and then practice questions. But right now, since only 2 months, even less than that is remaining, what you should to focus on is the question to theory approach. Whether you have completed your syllabus or not, whether you have read all the theory or not, you have to practice a lot of mock tests and previous year papers. From practicing the question, you will not be able to solve the questions, right? Because your concepts are not clear. Then go to that particular concept or theory and solve them, not everything. Okay? That is called question to theory approach. I have made a detailed video about this, about IIT 2023 strategy. You can see here, and also check the link in the description. I have already made that video, check that. Second, if possible, I will highly recommend you to take any of our crash courses. We have launched IIT 2023 complete crash course. You will get live revision classes every day for all 4 subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, bio. For non-bio and non-math students, we train you specifically so that you are able to do even bio and mathematics subjects, so that you can improve your marks. In 3 sections, the total marks will be only 180, but getting 170 out of 180 is very, very hard. So there is special guidance for non-bio, non-math student. There is private Telegram group. You will get more than 12 mock tests with detailed solutions for IJR aptitude test, all the previous year papers of IJR aptitude test with detailed solutions. As I already told, live revision classes, then doubt clearing for all of those mock tests and previous year papers. All of these things are there, so go and check our crash courses. For those who don't need live revision classes, only you need the mock tests and previous year papers, there is IIT 2023 rescue course, that also you can see. All the links are in description. If you want to message me personally for any kind of guidance, you can do in Sayastra app. Whether you take any of my course or not, you can always message me personally in Sayastra app. With that, all the best. See you at your dream research institutes. Jai Hind.
कोई भी सपना साकार करने के लिए सबसे जरूरी है सही कोच का होना। चुनिए सायस्त्रा और करें अपने IIT and NEST का सपना साकार। डाउनलोड द ऐप नाउ।